good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to the official first vlog of the year. The last one I did was just to wrap up the year and then usher in the new year. Was to wrap up 2025 and usher in 2026. So today is going to be we're going back to our vlog lifestyle. If you're a new subscriber, if this is your first time on this channel, please don't make it your last. There's a whole lot of love to go around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for stopping by again. Thank you so much. I can't stop preaching this thank you. Today I'm going to LUFASI Nature Park at Shongotedo. I'm going with my sister and some of her friends. We just want to chill and then talk about our goals for the 2026, new year, new resolution, right? Before then, my sister and I were going to pick up cake and ice cream. I don't know where we're going to pick it up, but we just look for any supermarket and just pick it up. Then one of our friends will come and pick us up, and then we head there together. That's just it. I want to sleep a bit because we're leaving by 2. I want to sleep a bit. Then when I wake up, I'll start getting ready. I already have what to wear. This is not the what am I going to wear again. I already have what to wear. So let's see how today goes. Bye. So I'm right here at what's the name of this place again? Lufasi Nature Park at I think it's Shongoted also. And I'm just here with some of my friends. We just want to hang out. It's currently Friday and Happy New Year again. If I've not said it, Happy New Year.
Are you foreign?
Can I say hi?
Hi.
I'm about to share the food. This is good.
Florence, say hi. Lizzie, say hi.
Say hi like Amelia.
So, guys, the first agenda for today is to eat. Then after, opening prayer. Who will do opening prayer for us?
For the blessing, mighty name of
Amen.
Jesus, mighty name.
Prayer was so long.
Start first.
I said Choma did not do something. Choma did not do anything. When did you do your vision board?
Maybe I told her I went to the parlor.
That day. Which day?
You're a bad person.
Choma just
No, I'm not just.
So, number one, I'm already working on this.
I told this wicked girl that I went to go and do my vision board for 2026. So it was very good this year, sir. I did it like 31st or 30th.
Is that why you're shaking?
Yes. Because you are lying and I don't like people that lie.
Okay.
Continue with your vision board.
I'm sorry.
I
remember. I remember.
I brought my laptop. That's where everything would have been.
You say she remembered now.
She does not remember. She's just saying it so at least remember.
They will not know. They will say, "Do that."
Daddy dog.
That's it. That is cat.
No, they give her meow.
You say, "Hey, that's it." They talk about.
She's taking her own.
this is my own opinion. So I think that's about it. Then I want to at least talk to people about my business. I want to let like people, yes, in 1 week. I know I said to people. Is it here?
But this thing, I feel
I
it's going
said
to, it will
you
pop,
know it, Jerry.
and it will fall.
It's not you doing it. It's not for. It's not for. It's not for. Just bring out.
Are you sure? It will fall. They're not set you up. Sorry.
I swear I don't know.
It's on you. I need it to point, not point to point. Okay. Hey.
What's that thing? What flexible? What the? Why is it? Why does it still have strawberry food?
Yeah, oh Jesus.
Now full Florence. It's not Florence go by. So who is making the toast? No, this is it.
Wait till that.
Yeah, don't stop.
It is pour.
Who's making the toast?
This is making the toast.
Why is it tasting like pan?
One, two, and
Who is making the toast? Okay.
cheers to new beginning.
Cheers.
Good life.
Okay.
Cheers to the new year.
Yes.
Yay!
Wait, I want to take video. Wait. Start the
Yeah. One, two.
Cheers to 2026. To good health.
Your bag.
More money. More clients. Career development. More content. Yeah. Clock it. And all round. Amen.
They almost chased us away, but with the power of speech, of communication, we had to beg them, and then they let us take videos because this is way past their closing hours. They close by 6, and this is like almost 15 minutes to.
Are you looking at the camera?
6. Yes, I do.
Or you're looking at yourself?
I'm looking at myself.
Hi guys, so we've come to the end of this vlog, today's video. I don't know if today's video is going to be on its own or if I'm going to add some other videos to it. I'm not sure. It just depends on the length of this video. But if this is the end of the video, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. I'm really happy to make. Hey, I'm coming. I'm really happy to make this video today. My experience, I would say a 7/10 because the place is chill, but it's okay, but I feel like they could do better. The staff, they're actually nice, they're okay. The manager is actually very nice. It's very nice. I'll give them 9/10 for customer service. Then I saw on TikTok that it was 1.5, and I'm coming here and it's 2.5. Maybe it's still the December, January Christmas price, sure. But regardless, it was nice because I came with good company and we had fun. Will I come again? Definitely. I'll come back again. So thank you guys for watching. I'm finally leaving, and this cake, we didn't eat it. Funny thing that this cake is spoiled, and we got the cake today. It's not fresh. It's so slimy. I don't know, we're about to head there. Let me not even call the name of the supermarket. We're going back, we're heading back to see if we can change it, see if we can get another one. And if they don't give me another one, I'll mention their name. I'm so pissed. Why would you guys do that? Why would you guys sell on fresh cake? Not even up to 6 or 5 hours if we got this cake and test spot. Should I put it in the boot? The cake. This is my tobacco.
What is there?
Hey,